1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 with T-tops. As y'all can see, it's not the original paint. She's beautiful. And guys, I show everything in the video so y'all can judge what the condition is for yourself. Everything I say is my opinion. I never lied or mislead y'all in any type of way. Everything is in the video. I own a classic car myself, a 1986 Buick Regal. So a lot of stuff when I see it, like when I say it's not rotted out, it can have a little surface or minor rust, but ain't nothing that's cancerous and nothing that can't be knocked down with a rod brush and treated. And if it does have problem with the floor pans or frame, I disclose that. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. T-top channels. Deck lid in good shape. Interior is in excellent condition. She got bucket seats, console, sport gauges, upper dash. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Start her up. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Y'all have a good one.